Hi students, welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to continue the topic articles. Today in this video we are going to discuss definite article the. Definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. Let's see when to use the. Use the after you have talked about it the first time. For example, this is a dog. The dog is brown. Use the when the person you are talking to already knows what you are talking about. For example, I am going to the bank. There is someone knocking at the door. It must be the computer repairman. Point number 3. Use the when you talk about general places in nature like the lake, the mountains, the ocean, the beach, etc. For example, let's go to the beach. I love to camp in the mountains. Point number 4. Use the when you are talking about something that there is only one of and everyone knows about it. For example, the sky, the earth, the star as a group. Example, the sky is so beautiful today. How many people are there on the earth? Next point. The can be used before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the 23rd, the best, the first page. Next, with common nouns which are derived from proper noun to refer to a whole group of people. For example, nationality or a race. Example, the Indians, the Kashmiris, the South African. Next, the can be used with decades or group of years. For example, she grew up in the 70s. When to use no article. Point number 1. To talk about things in general. Example, milk is good for you. Point number 2. To talk about sports and games. For example, let's go and play basketball. Point number 3. Before the names of countries. Example, Japan, France, Italy, etc. Except the UK, the US. Point number 4. Before the name of a language. For example, we are learning English. Point 5. Before the names of railway station when they are also place names. Point number 6. Before the names of meals. For example, they invited some friends to dinner. They invited some friends to lunch. Point number 7. Before noun plus number. Example, the laboratory is in room 6 on the 3rd floor. Let's recall the usage of the articles a and the. A and are called indefinite article. The is called definite article. When to use a and first mention. For the first mention, I saw an old woman and a dog in the park. A and is used for jobs, referring a job. Example, Paula is a teacher. A and is used for the description. Example, Paris is an interesting city. Usage of the. The is used for second mention. For example, I saw a man and a dog. The man was old. Next, for specific things. The children are in the garden. Specifically, they are referring to the garden. Only one thing. The moon looks beautiful today. Common places. Example, we are going to the park. Next, used in the place of superlatives. He is the best student in the class. Musical instruments. My daughter plays the violin. Where to use the zero article? Zero article means no article. In general meaning. For example, I don't like children. Here the children is a word used in general. In that place we should not use any article. Next, meals. What time do you have breakfast? So in meal we should not use the article. Next, year, months, days. 2005 was a great year. 2020 is a pandemic year. TV. There is a good film on TV. While referring the language school subject, he doesn't speak English. I study biology. Next, last. In these two places we should not use the article. For example, we went to the theater last week. This is the usage of the article a, an and the. Thank you, students.